Hi, I'm Michael from Key Wealth and welcome to your medical scheme recap for 2021. So a lot of people ask me, what is a PMB? So a PMB is a list of 270 conditions that has to be paid by a medical aid. Then a lot of people ask me, Michael, what is a DSP? A DSP is a designated service provider that your scheme has a payment arrangement with. So if you make use of a non-DSP, you can pay a penalty fee and don't get caught on your back with co-payments that can range anything up to 20,000 Rand. Oh my goodness, it's so hard to stand up, my knees. Then another thing to look out for is joint replacements. Joint replacements is a big thing you should be on the lookout for if you have any problems with your joints. Then, Michael, is there any solutions to these problems, you might ask? There is. Gap cover. So gap cover gives you 500% above your scheme rate, also pays the co-payments, and it also pays the penalty fee for making use of a non-DSP. You might ask me, is there more to medical aids? There's a lot more to medical aids that you should know. That's why you should talk to us.